Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate and post LinkedIn content using an AI agent. So let's suppose I'm running a consulting firm and I want to increase my online presence, and for that I regularly want to post on LinkedIn. Now I want that whenever I add a new idea of my content in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, a post should be automatically generated with the help of OpenAI. Here I'm going to use my AI agent as OpenAI, and then this post should be automatically posted on my LinkedIn. Doing this manually will be a very time consuming task, so I'm completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI and LinkedIn. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I'm going to add a new row in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, the post will be automatically generated with the help of OpenAI, and then this post will be automatically created and then be posted on my LinkedIn. Now, if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate and post LinkedIn content using AI agent. For this, I have created an automation workflow with the help of Pabbly Connect, where I have built connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI, Bitly, and then LinkedIn. Now we are going to check this automation workflow once. For that, I am going to open my Google Sheets and I am going to put my content idea over here, and I am going to put my keywords over here. Now after that, as soon as I do this, a post should be automatically created and be posted on my LinkedIn profile. So here I am going to open my Google Sheets and I am going to enter my idea as common business challenges and how to overcome them. Now let's add some keywords. So here I have added my keywords and I'm going to wait for a few seconds, and then I'm going to open my LinkedIn and I'm going to refresh this page once. And here we can see that just 1 minute ago, this has been posted on my LinkedIn. Now let's open this. So this is my content. Navigating the business landscape is no easy feat. Whether you are a startup or an established enterprise, every organization faces common challenges that can hinder growth and efficiency. This is the image that has been generated, and it is a wonderful post. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate and post on LinkedIn using AI agent. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Sheets, LinkedIn and OpenAI with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/INR/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to generate and post LinkedIn content using AI agent, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and here I'm simply going to select this as AI agent and then click on create. So workflow created successfully. Now here, as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, an action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to generate and post LinkedIn content using AI agent, which means whenever I'm going to add a new content in my Google Sheets, it will be automatically generated as a post with the help of AI agent. Here I'm going to use as OpenAI, and it will be automatically posted on my LinkedIn. So which means trigger says when this happens. So when I'm going to add a new idea, my new content idea in this Google Sheets spreadsheet, a post will be automatically generated with the help of OpenAI, and then it will be posted on my LinkedIn, which means action says do this. So here in my trigger application, I'll be taking Google Sheets, and then in my action application, I'll be taking OpenAI and LinkedIn. So here in my trigger application, let's take Google Sheets. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new or updated spreadsheet row. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I'm going to make this connection. And to make this connection, let me open my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So here this is my Google Sheets spreadsheet by the name social media post, and I'm going to enter all of my ideas in this particular spreadsheet. So now I have to build the connection, and to make this connection we have to go to this extension option and then go to add-ons and then click on this get add-ons. So here Google Workspace Marketplace has appeared in front of me, where I'm going to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. And it is showing installed because I have already installed this in my Google Sheets. But if you are doing this for the first time, you have to make sure that you follow the same process and install this Pabbly Connect webhooks in your Google Sheets. Now, as I have installed this Pabbly Connect webhooks, I have to go to this extensions, and over here I can see this Pabbly Connect webhooks. So I'm going to click on this initial setup button. So here this box has appeared in front of me, where I'm going to select the sheet, the webhook URL and the trigger column. So this webhook URL is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. And then in my trigger column, it's written the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So my final data entry column is column B, which means I'm going to enter my last data in this particular column. After this column, I am not going to fill any detail in other columns. So here my trigger column will be my final data entry column, which means my final data entry column here is column B. So here in my trigger column, I am going to write column B, and after adding this webhook URL and the trigger column, I am going to click on the send test. So here it's showing me test data sent successfully, which means this data is sent to my Pabbly Connect workflow. Now I'm going to click on this submit. So here setup configured successfully. Here we have successfully added the webhook URL which I was provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow in this Google Sheets spreadsheet. And now if I go back to Pabbly Connect, if I scroll down, I can see that I have received this response. The trigger column was column B. The name of the spreadsheet was social media post. And then here are the keywords. These were the keywords that we have added. And then the idea, content idea was why is consulting important? Now here, as soon as I've added the webhook URL and made the connection, I have received that data, whatever data I had in this Google Sheets in my Pabbly Connect workflow. And now I have to do a very important step. I have to click on this extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then I have to click on the send on event. So this particular step will make sure whatever data I add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. So this is very important step. If we skip this workflow is not going to run. Now if I go back to Pabbly Connect, here I have received the data, and this shows the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets that is successful. And now whenever I am going to add the data, I will start receiving that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I add my content idea in this particular Google Sheets spreadsheet, I want to generate a LinkedIn post for that same. So what I'm going to do in my action application, I'm going to take OpenAI. And then in my action event, I'm going to take this chat GPT and then click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, click on the save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the token. So I'm going to follow the help desk given below this field, and I'm going to click on the hyperlink given over here. So let's open this. And here we have landed to this page of API keys. Now we have to generate a token, and for that we have to click on this create new secret key, and let's name this as testing. The project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and now I'm simply going to click on this create secret key. Here I'm provided with a new key which I'm going to copy and paste that over here. Now that I have entered this token, I'm simply going to click on the save. And here OpenAI is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter the model and the prompt. So here in this drop down, I can find all the models. I'm going to select this as GPT-4o Mini. You can select according to your choice, preference and need. Next, I need to enter the prompt. So what I want to generate a post for my LinkedIn. Now here I am first going to generate a text, and in the next step I am going to generate an image. So first I have to generate a text and I have to write a prompt so that I can generate relatable content. Here the content which I have added in my Google Sheets, I want to generate a post, relatable post for my LinkedIn. So I have to add a prompt in that manner. So let's add my prompt as. So here I have written my prompt, write an engaging LinkedIn post about. Now I have left this field blank. I have not manually entered the idea. Here my idea was, why is consulting important? I have not manually written that over here because I am going to map this. Now what is mapping? What I am going to do, I am going to insert the data from my previous step. If I add that data manually over here, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. Every time I am going to add the new idea, content idea, this will not change. So now I want that whenever I'm going to add my new content idea in this particular sheet, it should be automatically generated, and for that we are going to use mapping. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert the data from my previous response. Over here you can see that as soon as I click on this field, I can see this Google Sheets, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I've received from there. Here I have to write an engaging LinkedIn post about this. So I'm going to enter my idea, content idea. So this is the content idea. The post should explain its importance and how it helps business grow, improve efficiency, solve challenges, highlight key benefits such as increased productivity, better decision making and revenue optimization, keep the tone professional yet conversational, appealing to business owners and executives, end with a call to action encouraging engagement. Keep the text plain, do not add special characters, signs and symbols in the response so that I can directly post on LinkedIn. Please keep the post short. So here this is the prompt which I have added. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. I hope you have understood that why we are mapping this instead of manually entering the details. So here I have selected my AI model and the prompt, and now I am going to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see that I have received the response. So here in the message content, I have received my post, why is consulting important for businesses in today's dynamic landscape. This is my complete post. Now that I have generated a post, I also want the image for the same. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this add action button, and then I'm going to search for my action application, which is OpenAI again. So as now I have to generate an image, I'm going to select my action event as generate image Delhi and then click on this connect. So now as I have already an existing connection, I'm going to click on this save. Now over here I have to enter the prompt. So here, following the same process, the way I have generated a text with the help of the prompt in previous step, I am going to generate a prompt. So let's enter my prompt like. So here I have entered my prompt and I have mapped the idea like we did in the previous step. Generate a professional and modern business themed image related to this idea. Create a high resolution image. It must start with https:// supported formats I have written. Maximum image size 8 MB and expect ratio falls within this ratio range. Do not add any kind of text in the image. So now the number of images to be generated, I just want one, so I am not going to enter anything. In the size, I am going to select this as 1024 and 1024. In the quality, I am going to select this as HD. And in this model, I am going to select Delhi 3. So I have selected the model, entered the prompt, the size and the quality, and now we are simply going to click on the save and send test request and wait for the response. So here I can see that I have received the response. Now I'm quickly going to copy and paste this link in a new tab and check whether I have received the image or not. And here I can see that I have received a wonderful and a beautiful image. And I am going to post the same image on my LinkedIn. So now moving on to the next step, I have received the text, I have received the image, and now we are going to post this all on my LinkedIn. So I'm going to take my action application as LinkedIn, and then in my action event, I'm going to select this as share text with image and then click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, click on the save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with LinkedIn. Now to make this connection, I have to enter my email and the password. So here I have entered my email and the password, and now I'm going to click on this sign in. So here authorization successful, which means LinkedIn is now connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter these details. So the first one is that I have to select the author. In the drop down, I can see that this is the only author. So I have selected that. I have to enter the image URL and the text content. So now in this image URL, I have to shorten the link. Over here in this response, you can see that I have received a very huge link. This is my entire link and I have to shorten this. We have to shorten this so as to post that over here. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on this add action button, and then we are going to search for an action application, which is Bitly. And then in the action event, we are going to select this as shorten link and then click on this connect. Here I have already an existing connection, so I'm going to go with this save. And then I have to select the group. So the group is Ashirai, and then I'm going to map this long URL. So here we have received the response in this generate image Delhi. This is the URL which I want to shorten, and now after mapping this, we are simply going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see that we have received the response. Now what we are going to do, we are going to map this particular link. We are going to open this LinkedIn action step and we are going to map the image file URL over here from the response that we have received in Bitly, and the link is this one. So we have here entered that, and then in the text content, I have received the text content in this response. This is my text message content and I have entered that. Now here we have mapped all these details and these fields have become static. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new content idea, this will be replaced with that and it will be posted automatically on my LinkedIn. Now in the visibility, I'm going to select this as public, and then I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request and wait for the response. So here I have received the response. The file uploaded successfully. Now let's quickly open my LinkedIn and check whether it has been posted or not. So this is my LinkedIn. I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to click on this view profile. So now if I scroll down, I'm going to refresh this page once. And here I can see that just now this has been posted. Now let's open this. Here we can see why is consulting important for businesses. This is the same exact post. So now let's check this automation workflow one last time. I'm again going to add a content idea in this particular Google Sheets and the keywords. And then let's check whether a new post has been created and posted in my LinkedIn or not. So in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, in the content idea, I'm going to write the power of strategic planning in business success. And then I'm going to add the keywords. So here I have entered the keywords, and now we are going to open the LinkedIn account and check whether post has been created on the same topic. The power of strategic planning in business success has been posted or not. So let's open my LinkedIn and let's refresh this page once. And we can see that just now it has been posted successfully, automatically, instantly. Strategic planning is more than just a business buzzword. It is a cornerstone of sustainable success. In today's fast-paced marketing, having a clear roadmap can make all the difference. So here you can see a beautiful image which has been generated and a beautiful content. So now to summarize. We took Google Sheets as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We added a content idea in this Google Sheets spreadsheet, and then we have received that response here in this workflow. We moved to the next step where we wanted to generate a text for the post. So we took OpenAI. My AI agent was OpenAI. So we took OpenAI, generated the post, and then we wanted to generate the image for the same post. So we took OpenAI Delhi as my next action application. We generated a link, and then We shortened the link with the help of Bitly. And then finally, in my LinkedIn action step, I made connection, entered this image file URL and the text content which I have received via OpenAI response, and then simply clicked on the save and send test request button and received the response as these posts being automatically and instantly posted on my LinkedIn. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI and LinkedIn with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.